Hey, are you facing difficulties while filling up the form of GATB 2020? Then you are on the right video where you will be provided relevant information related to this exam. I won't be reading up stuff, so you can pause the video wherever you want and refer to the points. So the main points will be discussed. First main point is the name of the exam itself. GATB 2020 or Graduate Aptitude Test in Biotechnology is nothing but a refurbished version of JNU SEEB. Just the organizing institute is different. So the organizing institute now is RCB, Regional Center of Biotechnology, which is situated in Faridabad. Okay, so let's talk about how to apply. It's basically the same procedure as you follow for different exams. It's nothing different. So you can register on the following website to create a profile, then log in with your user ID and password, and then fill the application, submit it. It's that simple. But before you apply, you need to have the following documents handy. First thing, your birth proof, that's your 10th mark sheet, photo, signature in the given formats, and your qualifying examination certificate and undertaking. I'll talk about this in a different slide. Okay, so before you register, you need to have the following things: your personal details, qualifying exam mark sheets, if you are having it, applicable certificates, and the scanned images of your photo and signature. Okay, now when we'll go to the website, we'll find a box on the left hand side. Here many important things will be given. We have to click on advertisement and then we'll get a long PDF which you can read later. Coming to the main point, the eligibility criteria. Eligibility criteria is different for various admitting institutes, but for the examination it's general, so you can check it on the website. Scholarship. Scholarship for various programs is as mentioned in this slide. You can pause the video and see it. For MSc Biotechnology it's rupees 5,000 per month, which is a good amount. Okay, coming to examination fee, for general and OBC it's rupees 1,000, and for SC, ST, EWS and differently abled candidates it's rupees 500. Now the important notes, I'll just tell you the main things. You just need to read everything properly, you need to fill the form properly, you need to do everything properly. That's the thing. Read it. Okay, so coming to the most important things, that's the date. The examination is supposed to be on 30th June 2020. Okay, it may be tentative, but you have to take it as the main date. Other dates, you can pause the video and see it. The last date to apply is 18th June. Please remember this. Okay, the disclaimer which has been stated here is that based on the GATB rank, you will be allotted to various programs and you have to apply separately, so RCB won't be interfering in that. So that's the thing. Now coming to the main thing, application. So this is what the application form would look like. You have to click there, registration live, you have to register, and then you will get the application form. Okay, so the important instructions: check the eligibility criteria, preview the application form before filling, your mobile number should be valid, email ID should be valid, and just fill one application form and apply early. That's very important. Now the most important point, if you are appearing this year or you are yet to appear, in that case you need to fill an attestation form. This form is given on the website. It should be signed by the head of your institute with stamp. If in case you cannot submit this document, you have to fill the undertaking form. This is most important. Now the registration: first register to get your user ID and password, then fill the following details and then confirm your registration. Now the filling of the application form starts. If you are already registered, just log in and fill the following points. Okay, the personal details which you need to follow are these. You can just pause the video and see everything and then finally fill the form. Okay, now coming to the next point, qualification details. If you're passed, select passed. If you're appearing this year, then select appearing. Okay, the qualifying exam here is your last qualified exam. Now the mandatory document which I am focusing upon is the qualifying mark certificate, and for those who are appearing, you have to upload the scanned copy of the examination certificate given by signed by your HOD. Okay, if you are not able to furnish any of the certificates, you need to sign that undertaking which is given on page number 1. We are coming to that. Okay, so after going to the main website once more and clicking on certificate format template, you will get a list of certificates, out of which the page 7 is the certificate which is to be signed by your HOD. The next thing is undertaking. In case you are not able to furnish any of the certificates, in that case you have to fill the undertaking where you have to mention the name of that certificate. Print it, fill it, scan it and upload it. Now finally, there's the declaration that you are fulfilling all the eligibility criteria, and now after the payment you'll receive an acknowledgement receipt which you have to keep it. Okay, so carefully fill the form and I hope your queries are resolved by now. So thank you for watching till the end. Please share this video with your friends and you may also subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more updates. Thanks a lot for watching.